Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. Pooja, are you able to hear me? Pooja,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
yeah. Now,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah. See, I have given you two links. One is this one, 2033 LIC AAO
Okay.
folder. Here, see, this is where you can get all the questions. This is where you can get all the questions here. Say some of the guidely materials are given here. This will help you prepare yourself.
Okay.
No. Actually, this one, this is what this one is. See, this contains about here. I want you to read minimum what you should read. Please note down. Bankers Adda
Yes.
interview.
Okay.
Bankers Adda interview. That will tell you about
Okay.
general. Then Aparchit interview, banking.
Okay.
D, difference in banking.
Okay.
Minimum you must read this. Then you must read this minimum, this one, IBPS guide insurance short notes.
Okay.
Then there are so many important things. You must go through this most common interview questions.
Okay.
Then insurance basics.
Okay, sir.
At least this much you must read apart from reading all the stuff available here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Next one. This is LIC AAO ADO 01062023 GU guidely materials. All the materials given here you go through. And what is your subject?
Okay.
Which degree did you study?
Mechanical engineering.
So आपको भी क्वेश्चंस है इसमें बट उतना तो पूछेगा नहीं है.
Okay.
कल
Okay, sir.
खाली ये पूछेगा अभी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग व्हाट इज द बिगेस्ट मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी, एमएसएमई कैसे चलता है दुनिया में, ऐसा
Okay.
भी जनरल क्वेश्चंस दे विल आस्क. यू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. गो थ्रू न्यूज़पेपर आल्सो. दैट्स ऑल.
Okay.
This much if you prepare, you are bound to succeed. But
Okay, sir.
confidence level is more important. But only problem I find in the case of women is that they will be posting certain discouraging comments. I have posted a video
Okay.
also on that. See the comments like they say you are already a married person. How are you going to take
Okay.
up this one? How will you take up this profession? It is a 24/7 profession. How will you manage this profession? This is a job where there is no job security. How are you going to manage? Like these questions they will ask. But for all these questions, you must answer confidently.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.